Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a Decentraland Mana daily update. So let's see where are we going from now on after going almost to 8.5 cents. You can see it there. And of course, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more, guys. And of course, you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below. We have a beautiful family in there. We respect each other and help each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. So let's go back to our technical analysis. And right now, you can see that we are finding resistance at the 7.3 around there. Cents for Decentraland Mana. And now we want to see eventually if we can go even higher right here, right? So the next support levels, in case we correct a little bit, is the 6.6 and 6.1, 5.5. Okay, so for now, these are our price targets. In case we make this the 8.5 as support level, then the next target is the 9.5, 9.6 around there, guys. So we have some minor resistance levels in between. And of course, guys, let's go now to the volume. You can see it is decreasing a little bit. You can see the moving average is going a little bit down, but in overall, guys, we have a pretty good volume. The MACD on the 4-hour frame looks very good. We didn't lose this support level, and not losing this support level means we are keep getting the higher low pattern we like, and of course the higher high pattern that we like. We have a bullish cross here between the blue line, the signal line, the blue line actually, the MACD, and with our signal line, the orange line, as you can see here in the graph. So right now what we want is a further distance between those two lines, right? And we need to go upwards. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's go to the risk metrics in the 4-hour frame. You can see that we are not having an overbought situation. That's good because we can go even higher in the commodity channel index and go above the 100. Same here for the RSI, right? But we need to keep following this pattern. We don't want to have a head and shoulders pattern. Well, this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder for the RSI, and then fall down. Okay, we don't want to have that. Also, of course, we want just to keep going upwards. And I will tell you one secret afterwards about if we are sure to make the next step and go above the 8.5. Okay, so according to the stochastic RSI, we are between 20 and 80, not an overbought situation there. The 20-day MA is above the red line, the 50-day exponential moving average. So we are still fine. Let's go to the daily frame, and on the daily frame, you can see that we are having the blue arrow, a buying opportunity right here. We don't have a selling arrow yet, according to the SSL HYBRID. That is good, but the SSL HYBRID can't identify easy when we have to short our position. It has some good buying opportunities right there when we have a blue arrow. You can see it here on your screen, but for the red arrow, when we have to short our position, it is not so good. For example, look at that. Back on 14th June, we had a buying opportunity, and then we had a selling opportunity on 18th June, right? And it wasn't so good decision to make because we would be in a loss. Okay, so apart from that, guys, let's go a little bit to the Bollinger Bands and close the SSL HYBRID. We are on the top line of the Bollinger Bands, and if this is not an impulsive wave, we have a very high risk. But if this is an impulsive wave, guys, we don't have any risk at all. That we start with the Decentraland. On the commodity channel index, we are in an overbought situation on the daily frame, but for the RSI, we still have room to grow, right? And we want to grow. We want to go into an overbought situation. That will mean we can break the 8.5 cents easily, guys. So right there we have the stochastic RSI into an overbought situation above the 80 right here. So we have 2 out of 3 risk metrics into an overbought situation, right? And you can see the MACD now. We had a bullish cross, we had a further distance between the blue line and the signal line. That is good. We don't have any indication of the blue line crossing down the signal line, so we are still fine on the daily frame. Let's go a little bit to see how Mana reacts to Bitcoin. Okay, does it outperform Bitcoin? Yes, it does. You can see here we outperform Bitcoin even though we corrected a little bit, we still go. And I would like to just draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom to see where are we. And we are right now, we are going to 0.618 probably Fibonacci retracement level. This will be very, very good if we go and make the 0.618 as support level. For the 4-hour frame, we don't have any overbought situation at all. It looks like the USDT chart. The stochastic RSI is still between 20 and 80, and the MACD you can see here on the 4-hour frame. We want to see eventually we have a bullish cross, and of course we need to surpass our previous high formed back on 8th July, right? Alright, so here we go guys to the daily frame for Mana Bitcoin chart, and you can see here on the daily frame, the commodity channel index is a little bit above the 100. Yes, we have an overbought situation. Although what you are doing, guys, is that you are checking the commodity channel index first, then the RSI. The RSI is more stable and it is not so sensitive to the price action as the CCI is, right? And the stochastic RSI, of course, is also sensitive to the price action. So we check the commodity channel index, the stochastic RSI first, and then the RSI. But the RSI is more stable and you can check it for more for the mid-term, for the next, let's say, 15 days to 20 days on the daily frame. For the commodity channel index, we might just correct in the next 2-3 days, but if this is an impulsive wave, we are not correcting right here, and we might possibly see a 20-day EMA crossing above the 50-day EMA here. So yes, according to the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index, we have a risk, although I wouldn't say by seeing the daily frame that we have a very, very high risk. Okay, so let's go now to Mana Tether USD, and you can see now that we formed a nice bullish candle right here, 7.3 above the 7.3. And if I draw the Fibonacci, guys, like I did back on Mana Bitcoin chart, you will see that we are going to the 0.618. That's where we are right now. And in case we make the 0.618, the 7.5 cents as support level, it's very, very possible to go even higher, right? To 9.1, or the one that we talked about before, guys, even higher. But of course, our next target might be the 9.1. Around here, we will see about that. We might have this resistance level going on at 9 cents after we make the 8.5 as a support level, but I believe we can go even higher to 9 from 9 cents. Okay, so eventually we are looking good. We just want to see the 0.618 as a support level. This is very, very crucial for now, for the short term, and if we make this as a support level, then it is very, very I think we have many chances actually of going above, okay, and surpass our previous high formed back on 8th July. So let's go a little bit to Bitcoin to see where are we going right now. We are a little bit stable right here. You can see that we don't want to form here a shooting star candle. If we form a shooting star candle, this will be very, very bearish, but for now we don't have the situation going on for Bitcoin. And you can see that Mana Bitcoin chart starts to move and outperform Bitcoin again. That's why you are seeing the Tether USD, Mana in the Tether USD going upwards as well, because for the time being we don't care about where Bitcoin will go, right? Because you always have to check altcoins against Bitcoin. Any altcoin you want to do a technical analysis, you want to check it out against Bitcoin. It's very, very crucial for your technical analysis, right? And if you see that we outperform Bitcoin, we don't care about what Bitcoin will do, all right? So this for here, guys, we don't care if we go a little bit down right there. Of course, we care if Bitcoin will have a crash, okay? If Bitcoin has a crash and goes down 20% just one day, let's say, or 15%, then yes, Mana will probably go down too, right? Because eventually, guys, we are outperforming Bitcoin, but we don't have now the necessary strength we need against Bitcoin, all right? So therefore, if we have a crash, this is bad, but for now, we don't have to be bearish, right? And we don't have to sound bearish when now there might not be any possibility of a furthermore crash right afterwards in the next 1 hour or 2 hours. I don't believe that we can go further down from here and go all the way down 15% in just one day. Okay, so for now, Mana looks good, but we have to make it 7.5 as a support level. And in case, guys, you missed the resistance levels, it is the 9 cents, and we have one more if I draw the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here on 22nd June to the top right there. Okay, so you can see that we have the minus 0.236 at 9.5. Okay, so we have one price target 9 cents, 9.5, but we need to make the 0.618 as a support level. This is very, very crucial for Decentraland mana, although we are looking good, guys, because on the 4-hour frame we don't have any risk metric above the 100 for the CCI, for example, or above the 70 for the RSI. Do we have to worry here in case we just drop down from 6 cents? Yes, we might have to worry about it, because if we drop down from 6 cents, then this will mean that we will go further down, maybe into 5.5, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, if I draw my Fibonacci from the bottom to the top in order to identify some strong and major support levels. But is it possible here that we correct before we go in an overbought situation? Yes, it has happened, guys, quite often, but I don't think this is the case right here, because even the stochastic RSI is below 80, right? So I don't think we have anything going on right there to just correct from here. But the 0.618, guys, before that I show you is a very, very strong resistance level, and we need to make it as support. So join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. Join our monthly subscription, link is also in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content, and thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.